G'day guys, just going to give you a quick run through on how we set up the canvas annex on our Parkes 15. So as you can see, we've got the ladder set up there. We put our ground sheet down and laid out all the poles. I'm going to have a look at the poles now. If you have a look here, this is the only one of these poles. It's a number 6, goes in the corner. We've got the number 7 pole here. This is the only one of those ones. These number 4 poles, there are 2 of them, one at each end, the other one's over there. Okay, across the front we've got the number 3 poles, there's 4 of those, and then there's the number 2s that go in between them. Lastly, we've got the 3 big number 1s that go across the roof. Okay, I've already put the canvas piece up through the top. Okay, over here, like this. So we feed that through, but don't Velcro it. We line it all up after the canvas roof is up. Next step is unfolding the canvas roof and putting it through the sail trim at the top of the roof. It feeds in from back to front, whereas the piece that's in there feeds from front to back. It's really important to silicone spray the rope section of the annex. I'll show you that. So this little piece right here, okay, if you put silicone spray on that a couple of times, it makes it slide in so much easier. All right, so give it a good spray and it'll be easy. So I'll set it up, show you what it looks like. Okay guys, that's the annex set up. There's a couple of things that I didn't mention before. The number 6 pole, which is in the corner, I'll just go and have a look at that. So that one we use to drag the canvas through the sail track. Okay, it helps somebody on the ground just pulling using that pole, so you get an elevated pull. It means a straight pull in line with the sail track rather than someone on the ground pulling down a canvas. So it makes it a lot easier. There's been a few people ask about the Lovells suspension and how high the van sits after it's been installed. I've got the Lovells 2-inch kit, both springs and shocks, and you can see here that the skirt is plenty high enough. In fact, it looks like it was always designed for the van to sit at that height. So no problems with the Lovells. The other thing I want to show you is we don't use 10 pegs at all. We use coach bolts for everything. So these are 200mm M12 from Bunnings. You get the washers there separately. Okay, we use them for everything. It's heaps easier than traditional 10 pegs. You just use your rattle gun with an 18mm socket to put them in and out. Alright, so I hope you find this useful. If you do, please like and subscribe to our channel. And any questions, just leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.